To get the test statistic and p-value from the calculator, the first thing you're going to do is press the Stat menu and right arrow over to Tests, and you'll see that your first choice is the z-test. And I have the summary statistics, so instead of inputting the raw data into a list, I'm going to put in the summary statistics. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, I'm going to arrow down and put in the claimed population parameter. So the value that you've put into the null will be put in here. Okay, so the null is going to be 22. And then I want to put in the standard deviation. The standard deviation was 7 pounds. And then I'm going to arrow down and put in the sample mean. The sample mean was 21.6. And the sample size was 103. Now down here you'll be able to put in the direction of the alternative. Now remember, the claim said that the utilization was at least 22 pounds per year, so that null was greater than or equal to, so that made the alternative less than. So I'm going to right arrow, down arrow first, then right arrow. I apologize, sometimes the recording software doesn't translate very well with the calculator. Okay, and then arrow down, right arrow over to less than, hit enter, there we go, and then I want to calculate. Okay, so you'll see that the results are, for the z-test where the alternative is less than 22, the test statistic is negative 0.58 and the p-value is 0.28, and that's greater than the level of significance. So this is consistent with the steps I had uploaded into the problem.